Welcome to QuizMonks. Here are 51 questions about the secret science of superpowers. Subscribe for more quizzes. What helps a gecko stick to walls? Tiny hairs, sticky glue, or suction cups? Drum roll, please. Tiny hair. Which animal uses sound to see? A lion, an eagle, or a bat? The answer, a bat. What must a hero overcome to fly? Friction, magnetism, or gravity? Gravity, correct. What can a starfish do if it loses an arm? Grow a new one, find a new one, or swim faster? Grow a new one. Nailed it. An octopus changes color to hide. What is this called? Camouflage, photosynthesis, or reflection? Drumroll, please. Camouflage. Which animal has a real electric shock power? Jellyfish, electric eel, or lightning bug? Electric eel, that's it. A hero stops 3 meteors, then 5 more. How many total? 9, 7, or 8? 8. Exactly. What makes a cheetah so fast on the ground? Flexible spine, big ears, or long tail? Flexible spine. You got it. What lets fish breathe under the water? Lungs, gills, or fins? Did you guess gills? To turn invisible, a hero must bend what? Air, sound, or light? Light. Incredible. A speedster runs 12 miles in 1 minute. How far in half a minute? 12 miles, 10 miles, or 6 miles? 6 miles. Correct. A strong ant can lift things much heavier than itself. 2 times, 10 times, or 50 times? 50 times. Spot on. What part of a bird's wing creates lift? Its light feathers, its curved shape, or its strong bones? It was indeed its curved shape. What makes our strong bones hard? Calcium, water, or sugar? And it was calcium. A hero lifts 4 cars, then 4 more. How many? 8, 4, or 1? 8. Awesome. What gas do you need to make a fire? Helium, water vapor, or oxygen? It was indeed oxygen. What tiny things in our blood help heal cuts? Platelets, bubbles, or blue cells? Platelets. Perfect. What helps a cat always land on its feet? Inner ear balance, long whiskers, or fluffy fur? The answer is inner ear. What gives a firefly its glowing power? Bioluminescence, sunlight, or batteries? The answer, bioluminescence. A hero has 10 rings and gives away half. How many left? 2, 10, or 5? 5. Incredible. What lets some snakes see the heat from animals? Super smell, infrared vision, or X-ray eyes? Infrared vision. Awesome. What material from a spider is stronger than steel? Silk, web spit, or leg hair? Silk. That's it. How do bees see patterns on flowers we can't? Ultraviolet light, tiny glasses, or night vision? The answer is ultraviolet light. What part of your body sends fast messages? Nerves, muscles, or skin? Nerves. You got it. What power lets a plant grow towards the sun? Sun stretching, phototropism, or leaf power? Phototropism. Bullseye. Which bird dives the fastest through the air? Peregrine falcon, ostrich, or penguin? Drumroll please, peregrine falcon. A hero finds 8 power gems and uses 3. How many are left? 11, 3, or 5? 5. Well done. What part of your eye gets bigger to see in the dark? The pupil, the color, or the eyelash? The pupil. Bullseye. What protects a woodpecker's brain from pecking? A water cushion, a tiny helmet, or a spongy skull? Did you guess? A spongy skull. How does the power of sound travel to your ears? In straight lines, in flashes, or in waves? In waves. Perfect. What gives you a super speed burst when you get a fright? Sugar, adrenaline, or sleep? The answer is adrenaline. A hero teleports 5 miles per jump. How far do they go in 3 jumps? 5 miles, 15 miles, or 8 miles? The answer, 15 miles. What are the tiny soldiers in your blood that fight off sickness? White blood cells, red blood cells, or water cells? Did you guess white blood cells? What tiny water bear can survive the vacuum of space? Space ant, star jelly, or tardigrade? Did you guess tardigrade? What power makes a balloon stick to your hair? Air pressure, static electricity, or stickiness? The answer, static electricity. Which sea animal's punch is so fast it creates heat? Mantis shrimp, hammerhead shark, or boxing crab? Mantis shrimp. Incredible! What animal shoots its tongue out like a rocket? Chameleon, snake, or frog? Chameleon. Bullseye. Which salamander can regrow parts of its own brain? Gecko, newt, or axolotl? Axolotl. Nailed it. What lets some insects walk on water? Tiny wings, surface tension, or slippery feet? Surface tension. You got it. A hero has 2 sidekicks, 3 gadgets each. How many gadgets total? 23 gadgets, 5 gadgets, or 6 gadgets? 6 gadgets. Perfect. What lets a lizard drop its tail to escape? A special muscle, a weak bone, or sticky sap? A special muscle. Correct. What part of a plant pulls water from the ground? The flowers, the leaves, or the roots? Did you guess the roots? What helps a dolphin see with sound underwater? Echolocation, superhearing, or water whispers? Drum roll, please. Echolocation. Which beetle defends itself with a hot chemical spray? Bombardier beetle, dragon beetle, or fire beetle? Bombardier beetle. Correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes.